Right everyone, this is System Test 53 of the farm system. Sorry I haven't really made one in a while. The last one, System Test 52, was it 10th of November? Yes, 10th of November. So yeah, actually the train track setup's not here. It's our workshop now. What changes I've made to the system? The battery isn't there. The case, I've just put that Casey sound up temporary. That's probably going to go. I'll show you around in that room in a minute. We've got the flash knee. I forgot what it's called now. Rafiki. I've only started on white. I keep forgetting. ABC powder fire extinguisher. We've got the KC sounder, polar V detector, strobe, Gent smoke detector. Pair of ladders about. Walking around about. Right. In here it looks complete. Well, I've neatened up these wires here because they're all over the place last time, and I'm not sure if any of you just saw that. I've put the bell back up from the wire there. Got a fire blanket there since this is sort of a workshop area. The carbon dioxide is mounted on my little homemade mount. 6-degree camera there. Yeah, so going for the system test then. So I'm going to put it to warp test because that bell is, that Casey sound is going to be taken down. I've put that bell up. If I'm ever working, I've got my E-defenders on. I see it's what's going is not only the saw and the hoover take up any dust, and it is pretty loud. So if I turn it on to, oops, wrong code, that might help. Right, let's go and test it. The music test key. Oh, I've actually added a heat detector in here as well, so you can't see any wires because it's just going along there with the other ones. And here I just have to bring it down this way. It would take me half an hour to draw through that. Just there into there. Right, panel's ready. Now the spell is the most really loud. I don't need to move these ladders. Quick reset it, don't want that bell going off again. I will be mounting a call point over there just underneath the bell. Oh, got no spray, I think I don't. Oh. No, oh, aha, there it is, right. I'll start off this way, so you can start to see how loud the bell is. Reset, panel reset, come on, reset. Here we go. Come on. We've got a bit of a dust on these, need to clean them. Seems to be doing woodwork in here. It's cutting wood, so its dust has built up. Come on! There we go. We might as well test this one. Right, but get out here when the bell goes off. Come on, activate. I've sprayed it exactly just before the panel resets. Actually, that one is still going. I just need to take that down. Oh, enter the code. Take it off work test and done. There we go. There's inside. So yeah, I'll make a video of my workshop and how to set it all up. So yeah, that was System Test 53, and thanks for watching.